Hello guys, welcome on Tesla Adventures. In this video, we are going to study or we are going to learn about that how to write the equation of SHM. So first of all, I am taking an example in which a particle is performing SHM between these 2 points, which has the coordinates of -10 and 30, and the time taken by the particle to move from -10 to 30 is given as 10 seconds, whereas at t is equal to 0, the particle was situated at x is equal to +10. So we have to write down the equation of SHM of this particle. So when we write down the equation of SHM, so in a general form of equation of SHM, x is equal to a sine omega t plus phi. And when we write this equation, then we are assuming that the mean position is x is equal to 0. But in this case, we see that the particle is moving between -10 to 30. So this is -a, the negative extreme, and this is +a, the positive extreme. The distance between the negative extreme and the positive extreme is 2a, and this 2a is equal to 40, because when the particle is moving from -10 to +30, then the distance moved by the particle is 40. So this 2a is equal to 40. So a would be equal to 20. So this is the amplitude which we have calculated. Now we know that from each of the extreme position, the mean position is situated at an equal distance of a from each mean position, from each extreme position. So if this is a extreme position -a, then the mean position would be situated at a distance of 20 from this position in the forward direction. So a point which is situated at a distance of 20 from this position is -10 plus 10, which is this. So this is the mean position also. So x is equal to 0. X is equal to 10 is the mean position. So when the mean position is not the origin, then we substitute this x as x minus mean position. So this mean position is 10. Therefore, the value of x would be x minus 10. Okay. Now that is equal to amplitude, where a is 20, sine omega t plus phi. This is 20. So this omega will be equal to 2 pi by t, where t is the time period of SHM. And you can see that the particle is moving from -10 to 30 in 10 seconds. So you can see that the time taken by the particle to move from -10 to 30 is t by 2, capital T by 2. So this is the half cycle, and the time taken by the particle to move from this position to this position is again t by 2. So this completes one cycle. So this is t by 2 and this is t by 2. So t by 2 is given as 10 seconds, and therefore t is given as 20. So omega will be equal to 2 pi by 20, and therefore omega is pi by 10. So we can substitute the value of omega, and this is x minus 10, and that is equal to 20 sine pi by 10 into t plus phi, where phi is the initial phase. Now it is given in the question that initially the particle is situated at x is equal to 10, which is also the mean position. So the phase of the particle is 0, because we know that the phase of the particle at the mean position and moving towards forward positive a is 0. So it is also given that particle is initially moving towards +a. So initial phase is 0 in this case. So finally the equation of SHM becomes x minus 10 is equal to 20 sine pi by 10 t. This is the equation. Now let's move forward on the next question. In this case, you can see that the particle is performing SHM between x is equal to 10 and x is equal to 30. It is given that at t is equal to 0, the particle is situated at x is equal to 10, and the time taken by the particle to move from x is equal to 10 to 30 is 10 seconds. So we can see that this is the negative extreme minus a, and this is the positive extreme plus a. So this 2a, which is the twice of amplitude, 2a is equal to 30 minus 10, which is equal to 20, and a is equal to 10. Okay, now the time taken by the particle to move from minus a to plus a is equal to 10 seconds. So this time is t by 2, and this t by 2 is equal to 10. So t is equal to 20 seconds, which is the time period of SHM. Because we know that the time taken by the particle to move from minus a to plus a is t by 2, and then the time taken by the particle to move back from plus a to minus a is again t by 2. So the total time is t. So t is 20 seconds, and therefore omega is equal to 2 pi by t. So that is pi by 10. Now we know that the mean position is situated at a distance of a from each of the extreme. So this mean position would be at a distance of 10 from this x is equal to 10. So this is x is equal to 20. So this is the mean position. So we can write down that x minus 20 is equal to 10 sine omega, which is pi by 10 t, plus phi, where phi is the initial phase. Phi is the initial phase. You can see that initially the particle was situated at negative extreme minus a. So we know that the phase of this position for the first time is equal to phi is equal to 3 pi by 2. So the initial phase phi is 3 pi by 2. So equation will be x minus 20 is equal to 10 sine omega is pi by 10 t plus 3 pi by 2. So this is the equation of SHM in this case. Now we move on the next question, and in this question you can see that it is given that the time taken by the particle to move from minus 30 to 10 is 10 seconds, and these are the two extreme positions of the particle. So again we see that 2a will be equal to 40, because the distance between minus 30 and 10 is 40. So this 2a is equal to 40, and therefore a is equal to 20. Now again t by 2, which is the time taken by the particle to move from minus a to plus a, is equal to 10 seconds. So this is t by 2, it is equal to 10 seconds, and therefore t is equal to 20 seconds. So omega is again 2 pi by 20, which is pi by 10, and the mean position is situated at a distance of a from each of the extreme. So if this is an extreme position and a is 20, then the mean position will be situated at this point, which is x is equal to minus 10, because in that case this distance would be equal to 20, which is amplitude, and this distance would be also equal to 20. So this is the mean position. So we can write down the equation as x plus 10, because in this case we to write the mean position in equation of SHM, we always write that x minus mean position. Now in this case the mean position is negative 10, so therefore it would be x plus 10, and that would be equal to 20 sine omega t, where omega is pi by 10 t, plus initial phase. Now initially it is given that the particle was situated at minus 30 which is the negative extreme, and therefore the phase of this position is 3 pi by 2. So the initial phase is 3 pi by 2, and this is the final equation of this SHM. Now in next video we'll be discussing the numericals which are based on this analytical SHM. Thank you.